stop coughing with this home remedy. General coughing is entirely natural and helps clear irritants or phlegm from your throat. But, a period of sustained coughing can be a problem and may relate to a variety of conditions, such as a bacterial infection, a viral infection, or an allergy. Most coughs related to a sinus infection, allergy, or cold are easily treated with over-the-counter medication. However, there are also a variety of at-home remedies that can give soothing relief. Here are some of the most helpful home remedies to stop coughing. Probiotics. Probiotics are not able to give direct relief from a cough, but still able to help balance the buildup of bacteria in the intestines. By controlling the bacteria, it is possible to promote the immune system to make it more efficient at fighting off the cough. Probiotics are naturally found in several foods, including sourdough breads, miso soup and some yogurt types. Honey. Honey is a great choice for use as a cough suppressant. It is also one of the favorite choices for soothing a sore throat. Honey is best combined with lemon to give the dual action of helping with congestion and soothing the irritation. Use the honey spread on bread or add to herbal tea. Thyme. Thyme is rich in flavonoids that are useful for relaxing the throat muscles to lessen inflammation and minimize the discomfort from coughing. A regular drink of thyme tea is a useful remedy. This is created by blending 2 teaspoons of thyme leaves with 1 cup of hot water. Leave the tea to steep for 8–10 minutes before drinking. Bromelain. Bromelain is a type of enzyme found in fruit like the pineapple. It is useful for loosening the build-up of mucus in the throat and to suppress further coughs. The best way to introduce bromelain to the diet is to drink a glass of pineapple juice 2 or 3 times per day, or simply eat a slice of fresh fruit. This enzyme can have other useful benefits such as treating swelling and inflammation, as well as allergy-based sinus issues. Peppermint. Peppermint leaves act much like a decongestant to help break down mucus and soothe the throat. The preferred way to benefit from this remedy is a regular drink of peppermint tea. Alternatively, it is possible to inhale peppermint vapors by creating a steam bath consisting of hot water and peppermint oil. Add 150 milliliters of hot water for every 3/4 drops of oil. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe Natural Benefits channel, like and comment.